would be like.
It's so weird. It's like when you're by yourself.
Exactly. Okay.
Alright, go.
3, 2, 1.
Pretty young girl from Zambia, you know that she ain't with the drama. Light skinned girl Osama, you know she the bomb, she cause trauma.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name's Nyemba. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird. Like we've been screaming, hollering,
everything. Like
we've been dancing, we've been singing. Like
we've done all of it.
We've done all of it. So for today's video, I'm here with my sis.
Okay.
You know, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, it's so good to be here, like finally. Yeah, so my name is Musha, aka Naturally Unbothered, and yeah, we're about to do a video out here.
Yeah, we've been planning a collab since like before I moved to the UK.
Yeah,
also.
like for the longest time. Long overdue. So yeah, I'm doing it. So exciting things.
Yeah. Today's video is just gonna be a tag called the My Natural Hair tag, and if you didn't know, she's a natural hair, you know, influencer. So yeah.
Okay. So if you've got natural hair questions, I got you.
Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, share it with somebody, drop a comment, subscribe to both our channels. She's gonna have a vlog up of our like Bristol trip, you know.
Bristol.
So you should go watch that. Okay, so getting right into it. Okay, first question is, why did you start taking better care of your hair?
Can I go first?
You go first.
Okay, why did I start taking better care of my hair? Well, for me, it's like mainly I wanted to see if I can grow my hair, really, and if I wanted to prove a point, like to say that black people
can grow their
hair. So like I'm on that journey, still there, like trying to grow, like, you know, my hair. So yeah, mainly it's that. I just, you know, I don't even know, but it's a whole bunch of stuff. But
for me it was when I moved back to Zambia, because getting my hair done in Zambia is so cheap. Like I could just go to the salon, you know, wash and blow. It's like 20 kwacha. Well, now it's not 20 kwacha anymore, but it was like 20 kwacha at the time. And it was just I would go to the hair salon like every week or every 2 weeks or something, wash and blow my hair, wash and blow my hair. And then when they washed my hair and blow dried it, like it would start breaking and stuff, and they'll put like blue magic and it would just start breaking. So blue magic and heat, like every week or every other week, it was just like a bit too much. It was so my hair started thinning, and it was actually I had really nice hair, and it started thinning, and I was like, you know what, I'm done with the salon BS. Like I'm gonna start taking care of my own hair. So next question, what are your 2 favorite hair products?
I don't even know. I'm a product junkie, like I'm not even gonna lie, like I have so many products, like but my favorite 2 products currently, I would say, is the main choice, like the spray. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I can't remember what it's called, but it's a spray, like a moisturizer. And my other favorite would be a deep conditioner, the Shea Moisture, Mongongo and hemp seed oil. That's like the bomb, like, you know, like
my 2 favorite products here right now, I can't really say, but like of all time, I would say the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In and coconut oil. Like those 2, like whenever I can't decide on what to use on my hair, I'm just like, you know what? Stop stressing me. Like, Okay, whose hair did you admire as a child?
As a child? For me, anyway, probably growing up, you're influenced by like white people and stuff like that, so you look at them and think, oh my god, their hair, like it's so nice. But like obviously when you go natural, you realize that your hair is beautiful and whatnot. I have somebody who I looked up to, who I admired their hair. What's her name? She's actually stopped doing like natural hair videos. This girl called Daphne Madraya, I can't pronounce her name, but she's from Zimbabwe, and she's like, her hair is like down here. But yeah, she's like my motivation.
Literally growing up, I admired my aunt's hair, like my dad's youngest sister's hair, because it was always like really long. And now we have like pretty much the same length hair. Yeah. So yeah, I always admired her hair, and I was like, I want my hair to be like yours. And yeah. What is your ultimate goal length?
Oh, tailbone length. we're going out.
For me, like, it's actually. Oh, go on.
No,
sorry.
I want to get to waist length, but like I want to see if I can push it to like tailbone length. Yeah.
For me, it's always been bra strap length, and I'm basically there. I feel like I'm there. I'm just like, it's kind of weird that I'm there, but I'm not. But I am. I feel like I'm like this much away. But I'm pretty much there, like I will
by the end of this year.
Yeah, and the only thing stopping me is because I keep trimming my hair, like I'm always trimming my hair. So yeah, my goal length has always been bra strap length. But then, I mean, if it keeps growing, like I'll let it. But then when it just gets a bit too much to handle, then I'll start trimming it back, you know. But yeah. How are you going to celebrate when you reach your ultimate goal length?
I don't know. I don't know how to. I won't know how to. I'm like, listen. I can't even say it, but I just know that people are not gonna drink water.
Yeah, I will not hear the end of it.
You will not hear the end of it. I just be like, wow. But no.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god, how am I gonna celebrate? Yeah, like I don't know, cause like even with bra strap length, like I'm basically at bra strap length now, and that was like my goal from way back when, like from when I started. But it's just one of those, you're in the mirror like
yeah, like it's just an amazing feeling when you reach like a certain goal.
Exactly. 2 styles you want to try at your goal length.
When your hair is that long, what do you do
with it? It gets boring. Like you're not gonna do like a twist out. Like you can't do none of that.
I mean, I honestly don't know what style. Like,
well,
perhaps maybe like a twisted mohawk or something.
I don't know.
Or like that big bun, the messy bun. Like, I think that'd be nice. Like
for me, one style would be like the top knot. Yeah. But with my hair, obviously, because you know,
like, you know.
And there's just like pigtails, you know, with them little ribbons and bubbles that we used to wear when we were kids, but like pigtails like that, and like I know you know her, this girl Nikki B Natural.
She
does. I've seen it. Yeah, she looks so cute. I'm like, when my hair is long, I'm gonna do that too. Which do you prefer, health or length?
Health over length all day.
Same here. Health over length all day. Health over length all day. I'm done. Which do you prefer? Hair ties with no metal parts or butterfly clips?
I prefer the the bubbles. The hair,
just like the ties. Regular hair tie.
Yeah, I don't like the ones with the pins.
The metal part,
I avoid them.
I use hair ties.
Hair butterflies are just no good for me.
Which product do you think is overrated?
Which one do I think is overrated? I don't know. Have you got one?
Yeah, I've actually thought of one. Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. Like when I got it, everyone was like, "Oh my god, Curl La La!" Like all the Instagram videos have Curl La La in it and stuff. And then you know my good girlfriend was like, "Oh my god, Curl La La!" So I got Curl La La, and like it works good. It's a curl enhancing like smoothie type situation. It works really nice, but it's just not like, oh my gosh, life changing. You know.
Yeah. I can't think of any really, like, mind blank.
No.
Like, I don't know.
Whatever.
Like, there's so many products.
Exactly. Which product do you think is underrated?
That people are sleeping on.
Yeah.
I'll say is, you know, when you have so many products.
Yeah.
What's what, like, the one that's underrated, I'll say, no, everyone knows that. I was thinking of the country leaving.
Yeah, that's kind of overrated even. Yeah.
I don't know.
For me, an underrated one is the Sunny Isle shampoo. I don't know if it's called like the dark shampoo, the Jamaican black castor oil like shampoo.
Oh my gosh,
I got it in like the May treasure chest box, and like I was like, no way!
I got it in the treasure chest box.
My hair felt so freaking soft. I was like, what the heck? And you know, it felt clean, but like still moisturized at the same time. I was like, no, this product, like where has this product been? Like nobody talks about it, no one like posts it, and I was just like, what? Like this product is bomb. So
the one I would say is underrated is the Cream of Nature I think it's like a co-leave-in conditioner. Like I haven't seen a lot of people like buzzing about it, but I've used it on my hair and I was like, what?
It's good.
Like, it's really good. And it's cheap as well. Like it's £4 something. Like
okay, next question is oils or butters?
Butters. Well, both. I don't know.
Yeah, same both.
Yeah.
For me, it's like lazy days, I'll use oils.
Yeah.
Days when I'm, you know, I don't know, more
like
trying to really give my hair TLC, then I'll be with the butters because
Like
it's just like mad work to like melt it in your hair.
Yeah. Do you use like shea butter, like a whipped shea butter? Or?
I do that at home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because then I have the time and the energy to like, you know, make it. And, like by myself, I'm just like, no. Buns or ponytails?
Buns.
Wigs or weaves?
Wigs.
Definitely wigs. Like insert K here.
Exactly. Like, what? Just take it off. That's it. And nobody got time for weaves because you can't even like wash your hair
Exactly,
properly.
like it's so bad.
No.
At what length do you consider your hair long? Like when you hit what length would it be long?
Waist length.
For me, I feel like I don't know.
Long, like,
I guess my hair is long, so bra strap length, I guess. Yeah, that's when.
For me, when I get to like waist,
down there,
I'll be like, oh my hair
is long. Yeah, it's like like for bra strap length, it's long, but you still can't do that much of it. Yeah. When was the last time you visited a salon?
Yeah.
That was such a Zambian. Yeah.
Like a salon. Actually, it wasn't that long ago, even though hopefully my hairdresser won't be watching this, but I let her do my hair, like just washing my hair, but I didn't let her like blow dry or anything. But that was like a few months. It must have been maybe last year or something, probably. But it wasn't like it was a random visit. I just got there, she washed my hair for me, and then that was that. It wasn't like a proper, you know.
Yeah, like you go to the
whole
salon.
shit. Yeah. But if I'm just gonna say, it's been like ever since I went natural, I've never really like allowed anybody to do my hair. I've always done like my own hair because I don't trust anybody. Trust issues.
For me, the proper last time I visited a salon was the first or second week I was at home, so that was August. So the first or second week of August 2018 was the last, because I needed cornrows for my wig. And then I needed to wash, blow dry, and cornrow my hair. And I was just like telling the chick what to do. And she's like, no, the reason your hair breaks is because I know my hair, sis. I know my hair.
Tell you what to do.
It's so annoying. Exactly. Like, how are you telling me what to do with my hair when I'm educated about my hair?
You know,
look at your hair, sis. Where is it?
That's the thing. You have to look at the person who's looking at their hair like that. Like, sis.
Show me where your hair is.
Then we can talk. Yeah, definitely. No.
So yeah, that was the last time. And it's just because I had to, because I'm part of the minority of black girls who didn't learn how to cornrow hair when they were kids. So I still don't know how to cornrow my hair.
I'll give you a tutorial.
We need a tutorial, please. And finally, what piece of advice would you give to someone just starting out on their hair journey?
Piece of advice, I'd say, it's so much. I would say, like, just learn to love your hair as it is, because you know, depending on what hair type you're gonna have, because most people when they go natural, they're expecting to have the
3C curls.
3C curls, you know, like they're expecting the hair to come out like the YouTube people they've been watching. So like you're gonna get mad with your hair. Right? So just learn to love your hair the way it is and work with what you've got. Just try and find like a hair twin so you can try and follow their methods of what they're doing. Don't buy too many products, because just try and see what works for you and like stick to it, because if you just try using a bunch of stuff, your hair's gonna get confused and just so yeah, and be patient, because hair takes time. It takes a long, like, patience is key. So yeah, that's like my advice, and don't do too much as well, because natural hair is very fragile. It can break very easily, so you need to take care of it like a baby. You know, this is a baby, and get to know it. Yeah, so that's my advice really.
For me, I just say do your research before you start diving into methods and products and stuff like that. Definitely do your research. I remember like when I just started out on my natural hair journey, I would sit at the desktop for hours watching hair tutorials, watching product reviews, watching
vlogs.
I would sit there, my dad would literally come chase me off the desktop like, hey, wait, like how are you gonna spend the whole day watching hair videos? Like, but I was educating myself, and I knew what would work for me just by watching, because you see the curl pattern. What works, like, just because something's popular doesn't mean it will work for you. Like, I know a girl who actually inspired me to like go on my natural hair journey. Her blog is like Hair Request or something.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she inspired me to get on my hair journey, and she's Zambian. Her hair is long,
like she's relaxed though.
Well, she's text-laxed.
I started on like a relaxed journey, you know, like she was the
for me. I started from natural, so
I started from
but then for her, coconut oil doesn't work for her hair, and it's like coconut. You think coconut oil is like the staple for everyone? It's not. So do your research. Test things out to see what works for your hair. Pay attention to what products do to your hair.
Definitely.
Like if it makes it limp and dry and like, you know, pay attention to products and read the ingredients.
First ingredients.
Yeah. I mean, for me, like even like sulfates and stuff aren't always bad. It's just pay attention to what it does to your hair.
That's true. Yeah, it's always bad. That's true.
Basically, so yeah.
So we have come to the end of the video.
Hope you learned a thing or two, or you know, ever, or you just enjoyed watching us talk.
I know.
So hopefully we'll film again together soon. Yeah.
Hopefully not in years.
Exactly.
We'll have to like make time. So you guys can suggest like if you want to see another video, like what video you'd like us to film and things like that. So yeah, comment below.
Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have Musha's channel and social medias down in the description box. So make sure you follow her, subscribe, you know, all that jazz. And, you know, Zambian YouTube, we're taking over.
Take over.
Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. Downstairs. Which do you prefer, hair ties with no metal parts or butterfly?
Is that even